Do you need help finding that perfect product to sell on Amazon? The one that can skyrocket your sales and put you ahead of the competition? Imagine having a proven strategy to uncover best-selling products effortlessly. Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into the secrets of finding those hidden gems on Amazon that can transform your business and inspire you to reach new heights. Amazon's bestseller lists, readily available and updated hourly, are a goldmine of insights for aspiring sellers. These lists, a reflection of real-time consumer purchasing behavior, provide a snapshot of what products are currently trending and in high demand. To access these lists, simply navigate to Amazon's homepage, scroll down to the bestsellers section, and explore the categories that align with your interests or niche. By regularly monitoring these lists, you can stay ahead of market trends and identify lucrative product opportunities, ensuring you invest in items with a proven track record of strong sales. Tools and resources. Amazon provides a suite of built-in tools that are incredibly valuable for identifying best-selling products. The bestsellers list is updated hourly and showcases the top-selling items across various categories. This list is a goldmine for discovering what's currently in demand. The movers and shakers list highlights products that have seen the biggest jump in sales rank over the past 24 hours, giving you insight into trending items. Hot new releases features the most popular new products that have just hit the market, while the most wished-for list reveals products frequently added to customers' wish lists. By regularly checking these lists, you can stay ahead of trends and identify potential bestsellers early. In addition to Amazon's tools, there are several third-party resources that can further enhance your product research. Tools like Jungle Scout and Helium 10 are popular among Amazon sellers for their advanced analytics capabilities. Jungle Scout offers features such as sales estimates, revenue projections, and competitor analysis, which can help you make data-driven decisions. Helium 10 provides comprehensive tools for keyword research, product tracking, and listing optimization, making it easier to identify profitable products and optimize your listings for better visibility. These tools often come with subscription fees, but their robust features can significantly streamline your research process and increase your chances of finding successful products. Researching best-selling products. The first step when researching best-selling products on Amazon is thoroughly analyzing product listings. A well-optimized product listing can often signal a successful product. Start by examining the product titles, which should be clear, concise, and rich with relevant keywords. Detailed and well-organized product descriptions are essential, providing comprehensive information about the product's features, benefits, and uses. High-quality images are also crucial. They should be clear, show the product from multiple angles, and highlight important details. Pay attention to bullet points briefly presenting key product features and selling points. These elements improve a product's visibility on Amazon and significantly influence a customer's purchasing decision. Checking reviews and ratings. Another vital aspect of researching best-selling products is examining customer reviews and ratings. High ratings and numerous positive reviews typically indicate a popular and reliable product. Scrutinize the reviews to understand what customers appreciate about the product and any common complaints or issues they might have. Look for patterns in the feedback. For instance, if multiple customers praise a specific feature or repeatedly mention a particular problem, these insights can guide you in choosing or improving a product. Reviews also provide valuable information about the product's real-world performance, helping you to gauge its quality and durability. Additionally, consider the frequency and recency of reviews, as consistently receiving positive feedback over time can be a strong indicator of a product's ongoing success. Identifying trends and market demand. Google Trends is a powerful tool for gauging market demand and identifying emerging trends. By entering your product keywords into Google Trends, you can see how their popularity has changed. This tool provides valuable insights into whether a product's demand is growing, stable, or declining. For instance, if you're considering selling fitness equipment, you can track the search interest in keywords like home gym or resistance bands. A rising trend indicates a growing market, suggesting a higher potential for sales. Additionally, Google Trends allows you to compare multiple keywords, helping you identify the most promising product ideas. Understanding seasonal trends is crucial for optimizing your product selection. Certain products have peak selling periods during specific times of the year. For example, holiday decorations, such as Christmas lights and ornaments, show a significant demand spike during the holiday season. Similarly, products like swimsuits and beach accessories are more prevalent in summer. You can plan your inventory and marketing strategies by recognizing these patterns. Stocking up on seasonal items ahead of peak periods ensures you can meet the increased demand and maximize your sales. Moreover, combining seasonal trend analysis with Google Trends data can provide a comprehensive view of a product's year-round viability. Evaluating competition. Understanding your competition is crucial when searching for best-selling products on Amazon. Begin by examining their product listings in detail. Look at how they present their products, including their titles, descriptions, and images. Pay attention to the keywords they use, as these can indicate what customers are searching for. Analyze their pricing strategy. Are they pricing high to convey luxury or low to dominate the market? These insights can reveal product strengths and weaknesses from the customer's perspective, helping you identify opportunities to differentiate your offering. Consider innovative ways to differentiate your product to stand out in a crowded market. This could involve enhancing product features or quality to offer superior value. Alternatively, focus on providing exceptional customer service or packaging that enhances the unboxing experience. Another strategy is to target niche markets within broader categories where competition may be less fierce. By addressing gaps or unmet needs identified in your competitor analysis, you can carve out a unique selling proposition, USP, that resonates with your target audience and gives you a competitive edge on Amazon's marketplace. Practical tips and best practices. Choosing the right niche is crucial when searching for best-selling products on Amazon. Start by identifying niches that align with your interests and expertise. A niche with passionate buyers and steady demand, but not overly saturated, offers the best opportunity for success. Conduct thorough market research to understand consumer preferences, emerging trends, and potential competition. Once you've chosen a niche, focus on product selection that balances market demand with your ability to differentiate. Consider factors like product quality, unique features, and pricing strategy to stand out from competitors and attract your target audience. Profit margins play a pivotal role in your product selection strategy. Calculate all costs in sourcing, manufacturing, shipping, Amazon fees, and marketing expenses. Aim for products that sell well and offer healthy profit margins. This ensures the sustainability and scalability of your Amazon business. Lastly, leverage customer feedback to improve your products and enhance customer satisfaction continuously. Positive reviews and repeat purchases are key indicators of a successful product. By consistently refining your offerings based on customer input, you can build a loyal customer base and drive long-term profitability on Amazon. That's all I have for you today, finding the hottest selling products on Amazon. Hopefully, you'll feel pumped to put these strategies to good use. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more e-commerce tips and tricks every week.